Hello, and welcome to this demonstration of Veeam Backup and Replication's storage snapshot integration with Hitachi Vantara VSP storage. What you will see in this demonstration is Veeam Backup and Replication granular file level recovery from a storage snapshot. Without further ado, let's jump in. What you see here is the Veeam user interface made up of 3 panels: navigation panel on the left, context sensitive ribbon menu across the top, and the display area. And in this demonstration, we are going to look at file level recovery from the guest operating system. And we will do this from a Veeam orchestrated storage snapshot. So it'll be this job that we will look at doing this file level recovery from. Now, this is the job. If we want to see the snapshots it orchestrated, we come over under backups to snapshots. We find the volume and machine that we're interested in, this guy, and either right click or use that ribbon menu to do restore guest files. And this is a Microsoft Windows machine, so we'll choose that. I can select the restore point. I've got all these hourly restore points, again, because Veeam can orchestrate snapshots on the VSP storage itself. I'll choose the default, the most recent one. And here I will accept the default for staging hosts. I will give it a reason, which are critical these days with high data security requirements. All this information most likely gets logged, and those logs sent over to the Security Operations Center. And go ahead and click Browse, and it will go ahead and mount this machine and allow me to browse it as if it were a Windows Explorer. And here we have our File Explorer. So I see on this machine the C drive and its folders. And in this recovery folder, I have an XML file. It's just an example of a file. And if I select that file, you can see, again, across the ribbon menu or by right-clicking, I get many different options. I can restore this back into production, overwrite keep, just update the permissions, restore to an alternate location, copy it off to somewhere else, another server, for example. A very powerful capability is this compare. And comparing, in fact, if I can compare back to production. So this is the snapshot that happened at the top of the hour. Compare that with what's in production right now. Now, why would I want to do that? If I had an outage and I were comparing configuration files for that particular piece of software, it might show me that a configuration was changed that caused the outage. So very powerful capabilities here. I can open a Windows Explorer, or I can also view the properties of this file. Thank you for watching this demonstration of Veeam Backup and Replication's storage snapshot integration with Hitachi Vantara VSP storage. There are several other demonstrations in this series. I hope you will check those out. Thank you.